Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Muhammad Syukri bin Hussein daripada kelas 1 TSI, nombor metrik 2200258. Soalan nombor 1 adalah apakah itu subnet? Before we go deeper into the subnet, we need to know the IP address. What is IP address? IP address is an address used to uniquely identify a device on an IP network. The address is made up of 32 binary bits, which can be divisible into a network portion and host portion with the help of the subnet mask. The 32 binary bits are broken into 4 octets. One octet is equivalent to 8 bits. Each octet is converted to decimal and separated by a period, or we call dots. For this reason, an IP address is said to be expressed in dotted decimal format. For example, we have 172.16.81.100. Okay, what is a subnet or subnetwork? It is a network inside a network. Subnet make networks more efficient. Through subnetting, network traffic can travel a shorter distance without passing through unnecessary routers to reach its destination. For example, we can take the courier service in Malaysia. Each state has a major courier hub. However, to maximize the courier service, there is also a small hub in a certain district and areas to maximize the delivery of goods to be made and travel a short distance. It's the same concept with the subnet. Next, we have what is subnet mask. Every device has an IP address with two pieces, the client or host address and the server or the network address. IP addresses are either configured by a DHCP server or manually configured static IP addresses. The subnet must split the IP address into the host and network address, thereby defining which part of the IP address belongs to the device and which part belongs to the network. A subnet mask is a 32-bit number created by setting host bit to all zeros and setting network bit to all ones. In this way, the subnet mask separated the IP address into the network and the host address. Okay, first of all, we need to determine the class of the IP address. If the IP address starts with 12126, it is class A. If the IP address starts with 127.191, it is class B. If the IP address starts with 192.223, it is class C. Okay, for the question number 2, the IP address of the host computer is 192.168.12.8. Okay, and the subnet mask given is 255.255.255.192. The destination IP address is 192.168.12.65. Okay, the question is the host IP and the destination IP address in the same subnet? Okay, first of all, we need to determine the class of the IP address. So the IP address is start with 192, which is class C. Second thing, we need to change the subnet mask decimal number to binary number. So we change 192 to a binary number. We will get 11000000. Okay, from the binary number, we can calculate the total subnet. The formula is 2 to power of x minus 2. X is symbolize the number 1 bit in the last octet. So the calculation is 2 power of 2 minus 2 equal to 2 subnet. To calculate the total number of hosts, the formula is 2 power of y minus 2. Y is indicate the 0 number in the last octet. So there is 60. So therefore it will be 2 power of 6 minus 2 equal to 62 hosts per subnet. So this is the table I create with the starting point with the starting network address is 192.168.12.0. The host is 62 in the valid IP address and the broadcast address like the given. So the first IP address is 192.168.12.8 is in the first subnet. Second, the destination IP address is 192.168.12.65. Therefore, it is in the second subnet. So we can conclude that the host IP address is at the first subnet while the destination IP address is a second subnet. Hence, the host IP address and the destination IP address is not in the same subnet. Question number 3. The subnet mask given is 255.255.255.224. The destination IP address we get is 192.168.12.135. Like the second question, we need to determine the class. The class is C, and then we need to the decimal number to binary number at the last octet. 224 equal to 111.0.0.0.0. To calculate the total number, total subnet is 2 power of 3 minus 2 equal to 6 subnet. Total host 2 power of 5 minus 2 equal to 30 hosts per subnet. So the question is, what subnet is packet sent to? So the destination IP address is 192.168.12.135. So here is in the table, we can see that the packet is sent to the fifth subnet. Question number 4a is same as the question number 3. So the answer is 21st subnet. Question number 4b, the answer is 51st subnet. Question for C, the packet is not sent to any subnet because there is no subnet. As we can see, the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So this is the class C. When the class C, the last octet is 0 according to the subnet mask. So when we change decimal to binary, it will be 0. So total subnet, when we include into the formula, it will be 0 subnet. So in the conclusion, the packet is not sent to any subnet because there is no subnet. For the question number 5, they are given that 4 created subnet. So we can conclude that. So in the first formula is 2 power of 2 equal to 4 subnet. And then we change to the binary number, it will get to 11000000. So we can conclude that the subnet mask is 255.255.255.192. So what is the usable host? The usable host is indicate 0 bit in the subnet mask. So it will be 2 power of 6 minus 2 equal to 62 hosts per subnet. The question number 6 is same as the question number 5. The IP address given is 211.123.83.0. So as the table given, we can know that the subnet is 2 power of 3 minus 2 equal to 6 subnet. So binary minus 2 because the network address, the first network address and the last broadcast address is a reserve, so it's not a valid. Okay, so it's the same binary number 111.0.0.0 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.224. Usable host is 2 power of 5 minus 2 equal to 30 hosts per subnet. This is question 7. And this is question 8. The question 8 we use a CIDR format. And then this is the answer. Okay, for the question number 9, it needs us to make a CIDR format. So the network address is 192.168.6.0. The subnet mask given is 255.255.254.0. Okay, we need to change the decimal to a binary number. So this will be here, and then we need to count number of 1 in the binary number. So if you count from the first octet to the last octet, it will be a 23 bit now first 23 1 bit number. So the answer is 192.168.6.0/23. Okay, for the question number 10, first of all we need to change the IP address into a binary number, and then next we need to change the /22 into binary number. Last step we use AND method. So we need to calculate n 0 equal to 0, 1 equal to 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 0. So as you can see, there is all 68. So the question is are there any problem in the group of subnet in the CIDR block? The answer is no problem with this group because they all in the same range of 192.168.68.0. Thank you.